This is Brooklyn. She's 2 days old. She's getting her first adjustment. We all know that the nervous system controls everything in our bodies, every function, every system, every organ, every cell. So we want to make sure that this little baby gets a good start, that her body knows what it's supposed to be doing and can communicate with other organs from the very beginning. People sometimes ask me why I adjust newborns and how I can adjust newborns, and they have an idea that it's a harsh thrust. And as you can see, Brooklyn is sleeping right through it. I just finished moving her atlas, which is her top bone in her neck. It was over to the left, and I just moved it over to make some room so that there's nothing compromising her amazing, amazing nervous system. Look at that hair. Probably wake her up in the turn. Now I'll check her pelvis. Yeah. That feels good. Go along her spine. That feels good too. Babies, when they get adjusted, have really great responses when they have colic and they have digestive issues and can't sleep very well. A baby has no other way to communicate. And so if their bodies aren't working 100%, they're going to tell us by crying. So if you have a baby who's fussy, probably a good idea to get them checked out. Okay, she's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at how sweet.
Oh.
It's gorgeous.